Oh, there she is, Arwen, our new 26-foot Colvic sailor, I think. That's from what I can gather, and from the data sheet I've been able to find online, it's 26.9 foot, just shy of 27 foot. It looks like it's well built, sturdy old beast. I'm looking forward to learning how to sail. Roll on the spring. And the view through the companionway. I'm certainly no expert, or far from an expert, on sailing boats, but for a 26.9 footer, it's got loads of space inside. Loads of. I think it's great. And I think for the money we paid, there's a serious amount of boat. Let's have a delve inside. Those cushions by the radio set, they are for the outside in the cockpit area. The previous owners had those made. There's a whole bunch of cushions made up for inside as well. It's really comfortable. The engine is behind steps there, and the batteries are below the cushions. Little foot pump for the water. I think there's 2 tanks of water, and gimbaled gas stove there, ideal. And I think that table comes out and is lowered, and that becomes another double bunk. So as you can see, we've been busy putting some snacks in and stuff, but you know, we've only had it a month or so. We haven't really had a chance to use it as such, but yeah, most of the things, most of the galley equipment, the safety equipment, was all left by the previous owner. In fact, I just checked the inventory this morning. There's spare, yeah, checking the inventory of equipment that the owners left. There's oil filter, fuel filter, fan belts, all sorts. And going into the forward cabin, those stainless steel poles form part of a tent canopy for the cockpit, where the previous owner would put the tent up and use that as an outside sleeping area or dossing area in the summer and the warmer months. And he did show me how it fits up. It did show me how it goes together, and it looks absolutely sweet. So there we go. Front berth, I think they call it a V berth. Yeah. There's bags of room up there. I think I'm going to need to get rid of these curtains. They're a bit chintz. And there's the head, or heads, one of the two. Just about make out. It's a toilet, a little dinky room. I wouldn't mind dropping a little shower tray in the bottom of there, maybe fiberglass in a shower tray in with a little bilge pump, and maybe having some hot water in there Maybe a little shower area as well. That would be quite cool. Yeah. So, coming back out. I love this little seating area. It's ideal. And we got a lovely view through the companionway. Looking out towards Falmouth. Engine sounds sweet. Really impressed. And what a gorgeous view. Look at that. Amazing. And I guess this is what you call the business end. Very, very pleased. Very pleased. Huge tiller. Needs a bit of a scrub up and a bit of a varnish job over the winter, but apart from that, bang tidy. There we go, there's a tender that came with it. And a view from the cockpit. Looks like the rain's on the way in. Looks good to me. Yeah, super excited to drop the mooring and head out. Happy days. To be fair, I could sit here all day and just do nothing really. Just enjoy the scenery. Just enjoy being on the boat, watch the other boats go gliding by. Lovely and peaceful. Now I'm going to get under cover now with the rain's coming. I think this will be my favourite seat. Great views, plenty of sunlight coming through, although it is pissing down today. It's not the best of days, but hey ho. It is the start of November. So many add-ons that have been left with it. I haven't even started to go through the full inventory. That's going to take me a while, but yeah, fair play to the previous owner that they looked after us when we took this on. So yeah, I think we've got a lot of boat for a little money.